Alright folks, welcome to this new video. So today we'll have a crash course on fractal geometry, how we can use it to trade on financial markets on different time frames. So try to bring a cup of coffee or a cup of tea during the weekend and watch this video and backtest on the charts. So we'll start with the gold chart and then we'll move to the US 100, 500 and the SP 500, okay? So if we go back to the chart of yesterday on gold, we'll try to understand why we are able to take the short position right here. Where is the fractal exactly right here? We have already talked before about this one. It's an L in one direction model right here, okay? So when we take a copy for this one, and this pullback must be translated right here, so the other wave will be auto-scaled, and this is very important. So in this way, when we scale our fractal, we reset our movement, we can predict that from this level right here, the price will go on a strong downtrend, okay? So as you can see, you don't have to look anywhere before right here, okay? And this is very important because I receive many charts and we should learn from our mistakes. When I trade using fractal geometry, not every self-similarity is a fractal, okay? It doesn't mean that I will come and I will take this wave in this way and then take it right here and try to scale it, okay? Doesn't have any sense, okay? It doesn't make any sense, okay? It's something very distracting. It's not the right methodology to scale. Always you stick to the same area, okay? To the same range right here, okay? Don't look to the back trying to find something mysterious or some magic, okay? Everything will be on the same range right here on the same trend, okay? So, and this is another point, you don't need to do multi-time frame analysis to catch good waves, okay, on the charts. No, you just need the 1 minute, 2 minute time frame and you can trade. Of course, you can trade on a higher time frames. This is another topic. So this was the first trade right here on the gold yesterday. The second trade was yesterday before the NFP news. It was a short position from this level right here, okay? So try to understand, okay? Try to read the psychology of this trend, okay? Don't go another time and look right here and say, okay, this pullback right here, so this one should come right here. No, this is wrong, okay? It doesn't work like this, okay? Always stick to the same trend, okay? Always look for the right psychology of the trend. So, very easy. Right here, another time, the next day, you have an L in one direction model, okay? You will scale this pullback to be translated right here. You will reset the movement the right way. So from this level right here, you know that the price will reject to go on a strong downtrend and to hit this level right here, okay? So this is just on the 1 minute time frame. You catch 80 pips and that's it, okay? You don't need another time to do multi-time frame analysis or you look for many fractals to confirm your entry. One fractal is enough to execute a trade, okay? And then after the release of the CPI or the NFP news, price rejects from here and go on a strong uptrend, okay? Why? This is not something random, okay? So if we pay attention right here, we have talked a lot before about this model. It's a Y model, okay? So when we take this one and when we scale it in this way, we put the low right here with the low and we try to match this high with the same level price of this high, okay? And I would repeat this another time that we don't trade time levels, okay? We don't trade the time. We are trading the price levels, okay? For me as a trader, there are levels on the chart, okay? There are levels on the chart in this way, okay? If the price reach this level, I should take a decision if I will go long or if I will go short, okay? I can't say that if the price reach this level at 9 o'clock, I will take short. No, this is bullshit, okay? There is nothing on the financial market that works in this way. We are just trading price levels. So when I fit this high with this high right here, I know that later when the price will reach this level, as a price level right here, I will take a short position as a reaction and then I will hit this high right here, okay? I will target this high right here. So as a trader, I react to the price movement, okay? So This was almost the gold chart for the week. Was the fractals on the gold chart. So now we'll try to move to other charts. We'll see how we can trade on other assets on the financial markets using fractal geometry on different time frames. Okay, so for example, let's see the US 500. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So on the US 500, first of all, if we try to understand this long position right here, okay, for transparency and for honest feedbacks, I didn't execute any trades on US 500 or SP 500. I'm just reviewing this chart so the traders who trade these assets can benefit from this, but I only trade gold and US 100 and some cryptocurrencies. This is for transparency purposes, okay? So right here, if we go back to this chart, we try to go to a lower time frame, okay? We'll try to understand this wave, how we can predict this up movement right there. So if we go to the 2-minute time frame right here, we try to understand this market structure right here. We'll try to turn on the indicator, is it the simplest fractals indicator, the TCW version. We can see that right here we have a setup, a valid setup. Okay, this means that there is a TCW model right here. Okay, so this is our trend child wave model right here. This is the trend line. So we will wait for the price to go down to reach this level, and then we'll execute our long position. Okay, so this was using the TCW level in this way. So on the third touch right there, we execute a long position to target this high right here, the breakout of the high of the mother wave. Okay, we have explained this on previous videos on our YouTube channel, so you can go and check them, how you trade the trend child wave model as a geometric structure. Okay, so this was the first perspective that we can look for when we look to the lows. Okay, when we look to the lows, we have a TCW model, and then if we go higher and we'll focus on the highs, what we'll see that we have a Y model. Okay, we have already seen this one at the beginning of the video on the gold chart. So this was a Y model. Okay, when we scale it in this way, we are able to forecast that the price will go on a strong downtrend from this high as a reaction, and then the price will go and break this low. Okay, and I will repeat, I didn't execute this trade. This is just for the people who trade these assets so they can benefit from the analysis and they can know how they can trade these assets. Okay, I'm just trading gold. Okay, so this was on on US 500. We have a Y model right here with higher high, strong downtrend. Same way right here, higher high and strong downtrend. Okay, so let's move to another market. The same way on US 100. Okay, this trade was executed on US 100. So right here on this chart, what we can see, the same way right here we have a trend child wave model. Okay, we have a structure of a trend child wave model. We can take a long position. Okay, but my position was a short one. It was a Y model right here, and when I scale it in this way, the high with the high, and then I will fit the low with the low right there. Okay, very nice in this way. So right here, I have an idea that when the price will reach this level, I will have a reaction right here to go on a downside movement to break this low, and it was perfectly played right here. Okay, so this was the trade on US 100. Okay, so you see that the markets are repeating themselves. Okay, the same structure right here on US 100, it was the same one on US 500. Trend child wave model on the lows, Y model on the highs. Okay, so try to stick on this. Try next week when the market opens. Okay, try to focus on this. Try to get some ideas or some trades based on these ideas. Okay, and this is the goal from the video. So if we check, for example, the SP 500, okay, for the future or the CFD, the same thing. So on the SP 500, another time, CW model, okay, trend child wave model, it was located using the indicator. So, and now if we look at the Y models, this is a Y model. Scale it, the high with the high, the low with the low, self-similarity on the bottom. So from here, you can take a decision to take a short position, and then you can break this low right here. You can target this low. Your second take profit will be right here. So you see that US 100, US 500, and also the SP 500. Same thing, okay? From the lows, TCW model, from the highs, Y model, okay? So try to focus on this on the next week, okay? Try to analyze the chart based on this technique, okay? It's not something very, very hard. It's not the magic. This is the reality on the chart, okay? This fractal exists, okay? Everyone can open the chart and can see it, okay? So you need to understand how you can trade it, okay? How you can generate money from this. So we come to the end of the video. If you are interested to learn more about fractal geometry from professional traders, from professional mentors in French or in English, you can contact our support. We have in-person mentorships in Paris for the moment. And also we have online mentorship programs. You can join our VIP group where we have weekly breakdowns and weekly meetings with other students. Also, you can join our private community where you can chat with other students. And also you can visit our website simplesfractals.com where you can find all the information about our indicators. And of course, it's not a buy and sell indicator. It will not make you a millionaire in one day. You need to analyze using the indicator. You need to have an understanding for the markets, for the dynamics of the market, so you can analyze using these indicators. So it's not a magical tool or buy and sell indicator. And of course, when you buy the indicator, you will get the indicator on your TradingView account in 30 minutes to 1 hour, because it's not an automatic process, it's a manual process. We need to verify the payment, we need to verify your TradingView username, and we can add it to you. So it takes between 30 minutes to 1 hour so you can get the indicator. And that's it all for today. Thank you so much for being here. See you next time.